All right, welcome to the first section or lesson with the lasers module. This right here is one of your items that you're going to be using. You're going to see in the front you've got a gray part and also a black part. This is basically, this goes to an LED, and this one is going to the opposite. So you'll take this black and you'll go to another gray, and you'll take the gray and send it to another black. This acts as almost like a walkie-talkie or a transmitter. So you'll see that I have two here on the table. So what I want to do first is show you how you have these cables, which are yellow and orange, and we're just basically going to go and connect these with other items. So I will go over to our area that we have all of our tools, and I'm going to go ahead and connect these and then show you what I'm talking about once I get done connecting them. Now on the bottom they also have a brown, and you go brown to brown, and you want to make sure that you have a good fit in there. You don't want to push it down too far. You just want to make sure that you're in and you're inside of the area. You don't have to push it or force it. It goes in very easy. And so here's a close-up of what I have. So you're going to see where I have the oranges and the yellow going to the correct place. You're also going to see where I have the brown going in the correct spot as well. Next, what I'll do is I'm going to go and set these apart like so. And you should be able to read the top part. So I'm going to have them just like this on the surface so I can still see the wording. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to come over and grab some fiber optic. What I like to do for this one is I like to make sure that the fiber optic that I use, and again, from what you've gone through with the module, you know that fiber optic is a glass conductor. It conducts laser light through glass. Is I like to have it where it push in to the one, and you don't have to force this again. You just have to get it so it's in there and it's connected rather easy. And then I do the gray. And on the one black one, it's not, the tip is broken off from several years of being used. So I just have that one kind of like laying out on the side, and I'll use something in the module that I have to either hold it or hold it down like I've done here. Next, I need to give this transmitter, both of them, you'll see here on either side, they have to have some source of power. So I'm going to go and do that. So each module has these things called AC adapters. I just found this one here, and I want to bring to your attention. You're going to see how this is wrapped up. This is the correct way to wrap up an AC adapter. I'm going to go in real close to the camera. You're going to see right here where I have this metal wrapping. It's almost like a twist tie that you would get on a loaf of bread. This is what you need to do when you are wrapping up your AC adapters. These are still copper wires, and what copper wires do, they have a tendency to break if you don't do it the correct way, especially in this section right here. Now, I today found, and I'm going to use a really good example of one so I can show you what happens. I found today this item right here. This is wrapped up incorrectly. And what happens is when it's wrapped up incorrectly, if you go and you look really close right here, you're going to see where the copper on it is already starting to be exposed. If you ever come into a module and you see this, I would need you to tell me immediately so that I can hold that person responsible and not yourself. Now at this point you can see that I have both of the items over here plugged in, and I ended up going with this one over here to charge this one. And I have a laser coming out of here. You might be able to see this. I'll shine it on my hand. You can see kind of some of the redness coming out. It is going to be connected over here to the black one, which I said before the tip was broken off. I would use this one here that has the tip broken off as the transmitter. So what you'll do is you're going to be able to see that if you come over here to the one side and you talk into this, hello, hello, it will transmit over to here, which is a receiver. Now you can do the same thing over here. Talk on this side, hello, hello, and you can see how it broadcasts it on the other side. On this side you can shoot Morse code, and on this side you can as well. You can adjust these dials to receive it, and you can also take out the graininess of it so it's clear. This right here is experiment number 1. Once you have done with this, if you would please take out the fiber optics, and what you'll do is you're just going to go and gently put them into a circle like I've done here, and you'll grab a piece of twine that you might have over on the other side, and this one won't be very big. This one's going to be probably relatively small. And then you're just going to go and take it, and again, like I showed you guys before, you're just going to go and wrap it up so that it's just like this. So when you guys are done with this experiment, please clean it up and then go ahead and go on to